Good morning, folks. It's Nola here. I am trying to put some kits together, so I wanted to give you a sneak peek of one of them. I have the fabrics picked, but I don't have the extra stuff yet. So I just want to, could you just, if you have a moment, just let me know what you think. I have actually put about 4 together now, but this is one of them. So then I have a nice pink to go with that, pink in here. And we have several colors of pink. Then I have this nice, sparkly one to go with that. And then I have this one, which has flowers on it, which is pink. Then I have some of this, and you could use just the end of it if you wanted on a page or whatever you're making with it. I put one of these panels in with each one. One of these little pieces of sari, which is a real dusty pink. Here's another little piece of cotton that is all pink roses. And gosh, it's been a long time since I've done a video. My goodness. And then I have this one in the pink. That's quite a big piece. I should have had these all open for you. And this one's even bigger because it's got part of the hem on it. So there's that. I absolutely love that picture. So that one goes in it as well. And then this one is quite a large piece again. Pink flowers. It opens up again. The pink flowers in green. And then I have this one. The pieces aren't huge, but you get lots of different ones, which I think is more fun anyway. So start that one there. I threw this one in just because it was fun. It's just a little fairy. So that one goes in there. And then I have one with some of the purple to pull out. And it is like, oh, you can't see it. Darn. Where's the purple? Here's the purple right here. So I put some of that in. Then I have small pieces of this, so you could have a little piece of fringe on one and whatever. Another piece, pretty sari. Very soft pink. A large piece of this. Oh, I forgot what it's called now. But the top is all white. It's nice and stiff, and you could make flowers or something out of this. I'll put in a piece of this bling. Sorry, I'm holding my hand because I'm shaking like crazy. And there's a small piece of this pink. And then there's this one with this nice lace on it. That will be in there. And second last is this sparkly piece. which is beautiful. Love this. And then I put one of these in each one. So that's one of them. And I will be putting other things in the kit as well. Some bling, or I don't know yet, but little things to put on the outside, like the last two. I'm not sure what, but ribbon, or anyway. I just have not been around anybody for a while and need some support. So can you just give me your thoughts on those colors together? Thanks, everybody. I miss you all. Talk to you soon. I'll be back with another one. Talk to you later. Bye now.